The World Between Wars 1900 to 1950 Events Part 2 Social Studies English Medium Important Bits Part 2 10th Class Lesson 14th. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to others. The calendar everywhere followed is Julian calendar, Ethiopian calendar, Gregorian calendar, Egyptian calendar. Correct answer, Gregorian calendar. Russian for peace and bread took place during this revolution. American Revolution, Russian Revolution, British Revolution, Egyptian Revolution. Correct answer, Russian Revolution. After the World War II, these countries emerged as rival blocs. USA, England, USSR, France, Britain, France, USA, USSR. Correct answer, USA, USSR. Which countries are called as central powers? Germany, Austria and Turkey. Germany, Austria, England. Britain, Germany, America. USA, Austria, Turkey. Correct answer, Germany, Austria and Turkey. Hitler became Chancellor of Germany on this day. 30th January 1933, 11th January 1932, 10th January 1934, 15th February 1935. Correct answer, 30th January 1933. In Germany, which of the following car manufacturing company was started by the government during Great Depression? Toyota, Honda, Ford Motors, Volkswagen. Correct answer, Volkswagen. Parliament of Japan is known as Duma, Congress, Parliament, Diet. Correct answer, Diet. How many days are ahead of Gregorian calendar than the Julian calendar? 12 days, 13 days, 14 days, 15 days. Correct answer, 13 days. Germany invaded USSR on 22nd June 1941, 23rd June 1942, 14th July 1940, 15th July 1941. Correct answer, 22nd June 1941. In Russia, Bloody Sunday and revolution occurred in this 1905, 1906, 1908, 1909. Correct answer, 1905. Beginning of collectivization in Russia 1929, 1930, 1928, 1931. Correct answer, 1929. When was Tsar Nicholas II abdicated in Russia? March 2nd, 1911, March 3rd, 1918, March 4th, 1928, March 5th, 1931. Correct answer, March 2nd, 1917. Bolshevik uprising in Petrograd 24th October 1917, 23rd October 1918, 22nd October 1928, 26th October 1931. Correct answer, 24th October 1917. GDR full form: German Democratic Republic, Germany Democratic Republic, Germany demarcated, reported, none. Correct answer is German Democratic Republic. Austria capital, Berlin, Vienna, Warsaw, none. Correct answer Vienna. Soviet troops liberated Auschwitz on 27th January 1945, 26th January 1945, 25th February 1945, 26th February 1945. Correct answer January 27th, 1945. World War II began on this day. 2nd September 1938, 2nd January 1939, 1st September 1939, 28th July 1939. Correct answer September 1st, 1939. Proclamation of the Weimar Republic in Germany. 9th November 1918, 9th November 1917, 9th December 1918, 8th November 1918. Correct answer 9th November 1918. When was America joined in the World War II? 9th January 1942, 9th November 1941, December 8th 1941, December 8th 1942. Correct answer December 8th 1941. Peace organization set up after World War I. United Nations, League of Nations, United States, United Arab Emirates. Correct answer League of Nations. As per our calendar, October Revolution in Russia took place on 7th November 1917, 8th November 1917, 7th February 1917, none. Correct answer 7th November 1917. Hiroshima and Nagasaki cities are belong to this country. America, Germany, Italy, Japan. Correct answer is Japan. Who was the leader of Nazi Party? Mussolini, Roosevelt, Hitler, Putin. Correct answer Hitler. Hitler assigned the responsibility of economic recovery in Germany to J.M. Keynes, Marxist, Roosevelt, Hjalmar Schacht. Correct answer is Hjalmar Schacht. Roosevelt was the president of which country? Britain, America, Germany, France. Correct answer America. Peace organization was set up after World War II. United States, League of Nations, United Nations Organization, World Health Organization. Correct answer United Nations Organization. Capital of Japan is Berlin, Ottawa, London, Tokyo. Correct answer Tokyo. Which of the following is incorrect? America, Washington, Britain, London, Italy, Rome, Germany, Warsaw. America capital Washington is right. Britain capital London is correct. Italy capital Rome is also correct. Germany capital Berlin. Warsaw is the capital of Poland. 34th option is incorrect option. Present UNO Secretary General Kofi Annan, Antonio Guterres, Ban Ki-moon. Correct answer is Antonio Guterres. The headquarters of WHO is Geneva, New York, Paris, Hague. Correct answer is Geneva. Which of the following country was not occupied by the Japan? Korea, Philippines, Manchuria, China. Correct answer is China. Japan occupied country: Mongolia, Tibet, India, Taiwan. Correct answer is Taiwan. Who was this picture? Mussolini, Roosevelt, Churchill, Hitler. Correct answer, Hitler. Who was the person in the middle of the picture? Stalin, Roosevelt, Churchill, Hitler. Correct answer is Roosevelt. Who is addressing in this picture? Stalin, Mussolini, Lenin, Hitler. Correct answer, Lenin. At what meeting did they participate in this picture? Yalta Conference, SAARC Conference, UNO Conference, none. Correct answer, Yalta Conference. Who were the people in this picture? Japanese Slavs, Polish Slavs, Jewish Slavs, none. Correct answer, Jewish Slavs. What is the capital of Russia? Geneva, New York, Moscow, Hague. Correct answer is Moscow. Federal Republic of Germany came under the influence of which country? Russia, France, Britain, America. Correct answer, America. Capitalists are people who believed in profits and private property, workers' rights, social welfare of the people, none. Correct answer, profits and private property. Eastern part of the Germany was called Federal Republic of Germany, German Democratic Republic, German Democratic People, none. Correct answer, German Democratic Republic. America Parliament: Congress, Diet, Duma, none. Correct answer, Congress. Stalin was succeeded by Putin, Lenin, Gorbachev, none. Correct answer is Lenin.